Okay, I think you describe quite well, but again, it comes down to linguistic expressions. I think, in my opinion, the way you are speaking is average and fine. If you can do without interruption pauses, that's great. Like, regarding expensive, you can use the word costly, you can use the word expensive, you can use the word unjustifiably expensive, affordable place, affordable accommodations, right? It is better. You don't have to. If you can't do it, if you can, in my opinion, you should try to do it. No problem. Let me try. Can you describe? I'm just asking the part one type question only. Tell me about the buildings in your hometowns.
Okay. Before there are many buildings nowadays in my hometown. Before there, it was not like that. There were only four-story buildings and uh, many chawls in my
Okay.
hometown.
Okay.
But now they are being redeveloped and been constructed as a four-story building or even seven-story building. But nowadays, it's a trend to construct a 20 to 27
Story building.
story towers,
Okay.
and it has become a trend. And many builders nowadays are trying to construct buildings greater than 20 story only.
Okay.
They
Quite good,
don't
Marshall.
prefer to construct buildings of seven-story, but it's now a trend to construct 20 to 25-story buildings.
Okay. Add some linguistic expression like contemporary structure, modern structure, skyscraper, skyline. Okay. Otherwise, Alhamdulillah, you're doing good. Not bad. Now let's go to a little bit deeper.